It's been a long day, and I'm tired, and I don't feel like cooking. So what do? Today we're making a charcuterie tray for dinner. This is Jackie from Otherwise, and I teach mothers and others how to get dinner on the table quickly. So let's start with what we have, because the least expensive food is the food you already have. You don't have to put out any money for that. So I have some brie, mozzarella, and some cream cheese. Now you can use any of these for your charcuterie tray. I also have some cheddar cheese, but it's shredded and it won't look pretty on my board. But this is my dinner, so it doesn't matter. I say make what you like. Make what you have. It doesn't have to be by the book to be delicious. If you go by the book, you want something soft, something hard, and something unique. You could also do a cow cheese, a sheep cheese, and a goat cheese. I'm going to use my brie because that's my favorite, and that's what I want to use. Next, let's talk about our meats. You can use bacon or prosciutto, salami, pepperoni, those kind of meats. You could use sausages like chorizo. You could even use lunch meat. Roll it up and cut it up and make a nice presentation. There's also meat spreads like a pate. Think about olives and pickles and jams and honey for your board. You'll also want to add some fresh fruit. I have grapes and strawberries, raspberries, an apple, a mandarin orange, and even a tomato is a fruit. Now for the best part, assembly. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my wheel of brie, and I'm going to place that in the middle. I'm going to add my meats, and I'm going to spread them right around. My cheese. Now I'm going to add some fruit. I've got some grapes, strawberries, mandarin oranges, I've got a couple of little bowls here. I've got raspberry jam. I've got some Dijon mustard, some apple slices. I didn't have any small pickles, so I chopped some up, and I'm going to add this. That gives us a pop of color over here. I'm going to slide my apples around, and my oranges, and then I'm going to add, and then back here at the back, I'm going to add my other little bowl, and I'm going to put some honey in it. So to finish off our tray, I'm going to add some honey to the top of our brie. I'm going to add some nuts for a little crunch. I also have a handful of other, these are Brazil nuts. I'm just going to add these right in here. And don't forget to add your crackers and your bread around the edges. It's all about the details. And there you have it, my favorite no-cook dinner option, a delicious charcuterie board. This is also great for your parties and dinner guests. If you like getting dinner on the table the quick and easy way, then like and subscribe to my channel. This is Jackie from Otherwise, and remember, dinner's at 6. Excuse me while I eat.